What's going on, folks? Well, today we're doing another video. It's kind of an update video for my fuel filter video, where they are now and what I changed to. That's a CarQuest number, but a 33005 is a Wix number for that filter. It is a 3 micron water separation filter. And then we got a Wix filter for the regular cartridge fuel filter for this truck, and it is way down there with its little air bleeder on the top there. I went with a water separation filter just to try it out, see how good it worked through the summer. Might go back to the 2 micron, might not. I tried the 2 micron mostly for see what the fuel pressure was, see if it froze this winter without a heater in the fuel filter housing. This fuel filter housing was added onto the truck prior to me getting it. Someone did an injection pump from, I'll just call it HD maybe, or yeah, let's just call them HD. I don't really think their parts are very good, but I'd buy an injection pump from Quadstar Tuning if I was getting one, or Leroy Diesel. Leroy's good too. Those are my turbo upgrades from Quadstar. Not his turbo, it was my cobbled together HX35 with my Kinnegow wastegate, custom wastegate pretty much. And then it's a Quadstar oil drain, best oil drain I've ever installed, ever. Big thanks to John for sending me one of the first ones. I loved it. Easy install. I think the hardest is to get the old one out. Just cut it apart as best you can without getting anything in the engine and get it the hell out of there, and stick the Quadstar one in, because his stuff's really good. You know, so let me take a look over these filters for you. I'll show you these filters and you know, show you how good they are. Shiny rims. All the jiggly bits and everything out of these filters. This is the 2 micron 33528. It's not a water separation filter. It's just a 2 micron filter, similar to a cat filter that the Duramax guys run. It's just a little bit shorter. A lot of the Duramax guys do run this filter too. There's quite a bit of junk caught up in the pleats of this filter. I would say that it was probably due to be replaced. It definitely was not in perfect condition anymore. There's no rust in the filter housing or anything, which is a good thing. The factory filter was very much due to be replaced. It was probably just about completely restricted. That was about its last place where it was sucking fuel through it. So I'm going to say that that's probably ready. It was ready a few months ago, almost. But a lot of guys actually removed this filter. I have not yet on this truck, but I may. It's obviously doing its job. You know, it's a 14 micron filter versus a 2 micron filter, but if you're filtering down from 14 and then filtering down to 2, obviously you're getting enough filtration to keep that injection pump pretty clean. This is a spring that goes down on the bottom. Not like that though. The O-ring was in pretty decent shape still. Everything was very clean, coming apart. No troubles there. Oh, phone's ringing. But definitely, for sure, was happy with this filter. I'm going to see how the 3 micron filter looks by the end of the summer, I would say, after hauling the camper and all that stuff. And I got a fuel pressure gauge in this truck, and pretty much gonna just take a good look at fuel quality after the end of the summer and see how it ends up coming out. But as always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, what you want to see, what you want me to put on the other trucks. I actually sold the tow truck. It's gone. Very nice gentleman bought it. He was very happy with it. But I still have the service truck. I still have the extended cab short bed that'll be back on the road hopefully this summer after all the body work's done. And I am just you know, motoring along as usual. I'm sure I'll get another 6.5 in the future for a third one, or a fourth one rather. I do have 3, just 2 on the road, so it feels like I only got 2. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what's going on with you guys and your trucks, if I can help with you. John over at QuadStar can definitely help with your parts. I can help with all the things you should be installing and everything. Oh, one last thing before I go, show you one of my next upgrades on the video. I'm going to be installing a different pump. I have an EP158 pump, which is like a 93 model year 6.5 pump. It's supposed to be like 14 psi, but it never gets up that high. It gets maybe 6 to 8 psi at most. But this pump right here is the newest design for a 24 valve Cummins. It's one of their newest fuel pumps. It's pretty hefty. It's about a pound or 2. You know, so hopefully it won't be just a pound of junk. Maybe it'll actually do some serious work for this truck and help it with its fuel pressure, because these trucks are very much plagued with issues with fuel pressure. So I'll give you a part number to that when I install it, and I'll let you know how it goes fuel pressure wise. As usual, doing what I can for you guys in installation videos and all that stuff. So talk to you soon. See you on the flip side. Take it easy.